Hello everyone. Welcome back to my English learning session. Today I am very excited to share something special, a favorite tourist destination place in Jharkhand near Ranchi. During Diwali, when we went to visit Ranchi, while returning home, mm, we decided to take a short detour and visit Dasam Fall. It is about 35 kilometers away from Ranchi town. Mm. As we know, Jharkhand is a small state blessed with nature beauty and full of lakes, dam, forest, mount fall, waterfalls, and really scenery is mesmerizing and breathtaking. And scenery is really amazing. It's mesmerizing and breathtaking. Mm. And our journey itself is enjoyable. Whether you are traveling by car or train, you can enjoy stunning views from the windows. So trip is really the trip of Jharkhand is amazing. Mm. If you are a nature lover, I'm sure you fall in love this place. So let's visit with me. We are just going downstairs, very close to waterfalls. It is the Dasam waterfalls. It is the famous tourist destination place of Jharkhand. And so look here, look here. Wow, so peaceful and calm here surroundings, and we feel so nice to be here. As we know, Jharkhand is a small state. It's surrounded by natural beauty, green forest, and lakes, dams, river, mountain. So it makes this area more beautiful, and right now you can hear the sounds of flowing waterfalls. So really, I feel like the music just touch my heart. So you enjoy with me. You enjoy with me. It's surrounded by dense dark forest, and sound of the flowing water feels so refreshing. The sound of the waterfall feels like music to be heard. And this waterfall is also popular picnic spots. Many people come here to relax, enjoy nature beauty, and spend time with their family. You can see people enjoying the nature beauty all around. Surrounded by dense green forest and with full of nature beauty. So the person who are lover of nature, they feel enjoy. And it is also great
season, many people come here to celebrate picnic. And it is the far from, it is 30 kilometers of Ranchi district.
Now I think you enjoyed a lot along with me, and you can feel the beauty of nature. Mm. And um, do you know there is a secret about the name of the Dasam Fall? Why people called it Dasam Fall? Actually, local people say um, it is the word Dasam comes from Hindi word. Dasam means 10, actually 10. So here, as you um, top of the mountain, water flows down in a 10 different separate streams, and these streams join together and flow down into the river below. So people call it Dasam Fall. Mm. So I think you enjoyed a lot. You feel how nature connect with us, and how um, we enjoy with our beautiful creature with nature. So really it was a great experience to visit the Assam Fall. So then we will meet again in the next video. Till then, you keep going, keep learning, keep growing. See you again. Bye.